Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another braid tutorial. This is my jumbo box braid tutorial updated. These braids are 84 inches. So jumping right into it, in all my other braid tutorials I never really showed you guys how I part. So today I'm going to show you guys how I actually part my hair. First I just separate my hair into 4 sections. I know my hair is like super dry. I did go in and grease it afterwards, of course. This is freshly washed hair, no product is in my hair. I've already started sectioning my hair off, so what I do is split my hair into 4 parts, and then I split that 4 parts into 3 parts, and then this is the last section. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying. I'll show you in more detail a little further in the video. I use edge control to just slick down those edges. Again, there's no product in my hair and I'm natural, so that edge control really just makes everything look sleek and well put together once the style is done. Now we're finally done parting our hair. I put 1 on the first row, 2 on the second row, and then 3 on the third row. And then I did the same thing on the other side. This is how I parted the back of my hair. Just a quick view of how I parted that. The hair that I used to create this style was Janet Collections pre-stretched 84-inch hair. I'll leave all the information down in the description box. And obviously I went ahead and started braiding some of my hair. This is about how thick I sectioned the hair off. I made about 4 braids per 1 pack. So this is about how thick it was. You can make yours smaller or bigger depending on your preference. I just wanted them super jumbo, but I wanted to kind of reduce the knots a little bit. I do like big knots with jumbo braids, but I wanted to reduce the knots just a little bit to ensure that it wasn't like a huge knot. It takes quite a bit of time to braid these box braids just because it's 84 inches of hair, but once it's all done it looks bomb. So make sure you have a little bit of time. Of course, when you're doing any braids that you do, you need a bunch of time to complete, but yeah, this was 84 inches of hair, so yeah. So I'm finally nearing the end, and as you can see, the ends are thinner than the top of the hair, which is perfect because you don't have like a super chunky braid all the way through. It's super chunky once you start braiding, and as you get to the bottom it gets skinnier and skinnier, which is perfect. For me, I like to burn the ends of my hair. It's also super cute if you just braid it all the way to the end and then you use the boiling water method. I just burned the ends because I just didn't want them to unravel, and I knew that I would be swimming a lot this summer. So yeah, here I am on the last braid, and I'm doing the same thing that I did before. Hopefully you guys can see it better. So you see my hair is on the left, and then the other side is the 2 pieces of weave, and then I just braid those in to each other. Once I run out of my natural hair, hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying. But once I run out of my natural hair, I just section off about a third of the braiding hair and add that to my hair so that I can braid it all the way down, because of course my natural hair is not 84 inches, so that was the purpose of splitting the weave. So this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And if you try this style out, be sure to tag me on Instagram. This is how long the braids were. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.